Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9 and the group member is Nur Syafiqah binti Zulkifli 262285, Cik Nur Fatihah binti Cikman 262612 and Nur Adlina binti Bahrat 263333. Our group will presenting regarding to the UPC UUM service. The three main problems that we identify in UPC UUM is the first one, unsystematic management of UPC UUM. Second one is time consuming and collecting parcel. The third one is the security of parcel collection. Okay, for the first problem is unsystematic management of UPC UUM. An unorganized queuing system of students that arrive to be served. Most of the UUM students keep on complaining day by day, complain that they need to queue up and wait for a long time until their turns come. Most of them keep on complaining regarding to the times where they need to queue for almost 2 to 3 hours only just to take their parcel, one parcel only. Customers, which is UUM students themselves, keep on waiting in the long queues will generate that directly affect their satisfactions toward the system that UPC UUM applied. Complex in collecting procedures. As what has been mentioned by Fay and Peterson 2017, policies and procedures must be enforced consistently regarding the way to get smooth. Students need to fill a form to pick up their parcel at the UPC UUM. So this will take a time for them to collect the parcel.
The second problem in UPC UUM, which is time consuming in collecting parcel. Okay, the time set in the parcel collection process is inflexible, which is many student complains that the time preference by UPC are not flexible for student to collect the parcel, and the setting of operation hour is not accordance in the notification information, which the information displayed in the newsfeed into the other media social and not relate with the employee time in the parcel in the UPC UUM, and the time taken per student in serving inconsistent because of too many process that need to perform before the student get their parcel.
Okay, the third problem that students often complain toward UPC is about the missing parcels. So based on the student experience, they say once they arrive in UPC to pick up their parcel, but one of their staff said that this parcel was handed to another student and already updated in the system. Worst of all is they have already lost that parcel. So what I can say here is that they a bit careless towards the parcels, and this can cause dissatisfaction from students.
As what has been mentioned before regarding to the problems, we came up with 3 improvements that UPC UUM need to do, which is the first one, lean thinking, the second one, just in time, and the last one is warehousing and storage. So, based on the first problem, which is the unsystematic one, the solution for that is lean thinking. Lean thinking is typically applied to manufacturing lean techniques, and focus are applicable anywhere that are processes to improve, including the entire supply chains. A lean supply chain is one that produces just what and how much is needed, when it is needed, and where it is needed. So in this, we're focusing on 2 main points, which is lean warehousing and lean customer. Lean warehouse management aims to ensure the teams never uses more resources than they need to when completing a specific task, while lean customer, they value speed and flexibility and expect high levels of delivery performance and quality. Lean customer expect value from the product they purchase and provide value to the consumers who they interact with. Lean promotes minimizing new product development time and expenses. This delivers the product to market faster, make it easier to incorporate current requirements into the products. There are more efficient solutions to be implemented at the UUM Parcel Center as an effective solution to reduce costs to maximize the customer satisfaction. For example, the new improved process flows of the UUM Parcel Center could alter into more advanced, which are set up the parcel locker and parcel collect in every student's resident hall. By implementing these recommendations, students can be more conveniently in collecting their parcels in any times that are convenient to them without needed to go to the UUM Parcel Center during the office hour to collect the parcels.
Okay, for the solution that we can identify through this problem, the problem is the time consuming in collecting parcel. The solution that we can identify is just in time, JIT. Okay, just in time is an logistic operate under the concept of receiving raw materials, products and parts as they are needed, rather than days or even week before. This allows businesses to significantly cut inventory costs by having fewer unnecessary supply on hand and far less material to store. From the concept of JIT, company of UPC UUM can increase the timeliness of their services, reduce the number of processes, and make a plan more systematic, simple, and effective. From the time, the company need to ensure that employees are more sensitive to the time set of operating. Okay, this can prevent students from queue and wait for a long time of period.
Okay, the solution for the missing parcel is warehousing and storage. UPC must train their staff very properly, especially for those who will handle all the parcel that arrive in UPC. So from that, they will arrange and separate this parcel regarding the time that parcel deliver in UPC, or they can put in racks to differentiate when those parcels arrive. So easy for them to pass this parcel to the student, and this missing parcel will not happen.